guys, so this is the current project. It's a Peterbilt 281 based off the truck from the movie Duel. So the whole body is just built from some 0.9mm panel beaters steel, and the chassis is some 15mm RHS in a ladder style chassis. Transmission will go just in there. There's the mounting holes for it. Front axle up here, and then there'll be one drive axle at the rear, in between those two braces, and then right at the back there'll be a tag axle or a lazy axle. So one of the things that makes this dual truck so iconic is the number plates that were all across the front bumper of this truck. And so all of these have been made with some pieces of tin that have been painted and then scratched up and left outside to rust to give them that natural weathering effect. And the same here has been done with the horn for this truck. So today's video is going to be on building the iconic grille that these 281s had, and it will probably just be built from some pieces of tin that I'll bend into a right angle and then glue behind this front plate of the grille. So let's get on with that. So this here is the piece of tin that I'll be using. It's just the side off a coffee tin that I cut up, and since that there's already ribs in there, I'll probably just be able to cut them out into strips and fold along those ribs, which will give me a straight line, and then they'll be glued behind that plate there. So these are all of the pieces that I'm going to be gluing onto the grille. So it's just a piece of tin bent at a right angle like that, and they'll be glued up behind that main front plate. Right, so I got the grille fully glued on, I got this little rear view mirror glued on, and I got the horn glued on. So that's all done. The next project will probably be welding in the pieces up here that kind of divide up that front section, and then it's purely just working on the chassis after that, getting the wheels mounted and getting the suspension done.